Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Pretty Princess Polish, and today I'm back with another nail mail. So let's just see what I have in my nail mail. So keeping these things aside, I'll be sharing my first ever product, which is a 3D nail sticker. A floral 3D nail sticker XF 5D006. You can see three the 3D look in the camera itself. I personally love this floral shading and I can't wait to use this product. Second product which I got is XF5D011, which is another 3D nail sticker. This is also a floral one, and I'm pretty excited about this product because I have I just can't decide how I'll be using it, what the base will be, but I'm sure that you guys are gonna love the designs which I will be creating using these products. See the holographic packaging, which looks really promising. Then the third thing which I got is another floral, right? So this is another floral sticker. See, I love the look of this product for sure. And see, this is this one, if you consider, this is a big design. I don't know it will fit on my nails or not, so maybe I might cut this one into two parts so as to use this, but all the other designs are pretty good, and I think they will fully cover my nail because my length of my nails is really long. So let's see what I will be doing with these. Third product which I got is Born Pretty Mini Cuticle Nipper. This is the most amazing and magical product which I own. This is the backup of the cuticle nipper which I already have, and though my product is working well, I thought that I should buy this one as well because I really like to keep backup of the products which I already own. And this is used for cutting this is used to cut the cuticles, and you can cut nail stickers or anything which you apply on your nail with the help of this product. It is really handy because of its small size, and it comes with a cap which makes it really easy to store. Then the third product, which not the third product, it's the fourth, fifth and sixth product, which no, not even third, fourth and fifth product, because I have already showed 4 products to you. So this is fifth, sixth and seventh product which I am going to share with you guys. So you might have seen the applicator, small applicators, which means I've got few nail powders, and these are Born Pretty nail powders which are definitely my favorite. I am just going to turn them so that you can have a look, and I'll be opening my flash so that it becomes really easy for you guys to see this product. So I guess my camera is acting, it's not able to capture the beauty of this product. So we'll begin with this product. And now you can see I just love this finish these kind of glitters, aurora glitters specifically, because they really look amazing. They might look a bit similar, these two colors might look a bit similar, but trust me, they are different. Like the shades are different. This is a pink one and this is more like orange. And the third product, this is my favorite, dark pink, dark mauvish or dark purplish kind of product. So see, this is of course my favorite. I just love using this product. I have created different designs when, I guess, maybe few months ago, with the help of these kind of products. But this time I got these glitters from Born Pretty, so that I can create different designs using them. So these three products, the applicators, beautiful cuticle nipper, and these three amazing stickers. So this is what my recent nail mail consisted, or this is what my recent nail mail was all about. I hope you all guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more. Love you guys. Bye.